And if you wanted to take selling your coaching or consulting services one step further, guys, just remember, you do not have to be the absolute authority. All you have to do is be a few steps ahead of the next person and understand exactly how you can help this person get from A to B. Now, let's expand more on how you don't need any followers to start selling services. And one great way would be to implement a DM, a direct message strategy, and a platform of your choice, whether that's Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, wherever you want to go. And you want to use Google Calendar. If you want to start getting paid, even just using Google Calendar to start selling coaching consulting services, let's say you're creating programs and now you want to help a few people because selling your time one-on-one, it costs a lot more. And frankly, once you give up your time, you can't get that back. So what does that look like? Well, a simple direct message strategy on a platform of your choice would be like a pre-written message saved to your clipboard. How would you use Google Calendar to implement this? Well, you could go set up your Google Calendar for free calls, create a Google Calendar account. If you don't have one, sign up for a free Google account. That gives you access to Google Calendar. Then you can set your availability, open Google Calendar, and click on any date and time to create an event. Choose your appointment slot or create a new event. Set your availability, including the time slots when you're open for calls, and add details like free consultation call and in the event title, and include a brief description of what the call will cover. And now you can add the Google Meet integration in the event settings, add a Google Meet link so that your calls will be online and easy to access. Now, share your calendar link. Once you set your availability, click share and get a shareable link to your calendar. You can share this link with potential clients so they can book a time that works for them. Now, implementing a simple DM strategy. You could write a straightforward and friendly message saying, hey, whatever your name is, do you know anyone who might benefit from my specific service I offer, or benefit from my blank coaching or my blank consulting? If your referral buys, I'm offering a finder's fee as a thank you, meaning that you're going to pay for every referral and or lead. So should this person happen to share this message with a friend, and just so you know, you can do this anywhere in the world. Start with your local audience. Do you know anyone who might benefit from my coaching service? If your referral buys, I'm offering a finder's fee as a thank you. Type that out once, save it to your clipboard, and insert your link. And now you are free to go DM people, and don't be surprised if you get some sales from that. Now, identify potential contacts. Start by reaching out to your current network, people you've interacted with, followers on social media, or past clients. Send your crafted message to them directly. Keep it casual and authentic. Now, if you don't get a response within a few days, you can send a follow-up message, that says, let me know if you think anyone could use this service. I'd appreciate your help. And track your referrals. When someone refers you a client, keep track of it in a simple spreadsheet with the referrer's name. And that could just be Google Sheets. It's free. The referred person's name and the service they're interested in. Now, pay the finder's fee. Once the referred person completes the purchase, follow through with your promise. Pay the finder's fee promptly and thank the referrer for their support. Now, by combining these steps, you'll not only streamline your scheduling process, but also create a simple, scalable way to bring in new clients through referral. Now, this is an example of how to sell a training program or a course where you just teach it to them and give them homework via like coaching. It is also a great way to generate a few extra $1,000.